What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out, and I'm back with another video. My friend that sent me my other super cool collectible that I didn't think I was ever gonna have sent me another package. Let's see what it is. Okay. It's in the package and everything. Boom. Oh, heck yeah. Damn, that thing already looks much better. So this is the HK USP. I don't know if you've seen my other video on the USP. I did a video on the low end one, and I had mentioned that I wanted one of the higher end ones, and my friend, dude, you are awesome, man. Thank you so much for this. But my friend sent me the high end version, and it already, without even opening it, it already looks freaking cool. Way cooler than the other one. And I'll do a side-by-side comparison as soon as I open this thing. Let's see. Let's get that tape. Yeah, it's already a huge difference. I wonder if it's must be the same company that makes the Type 64. Alright, got this part. Let's just do this. Oh yeah, huge difference. Huge difference. Got the rounds. Little screwdriver. Oops. Okay, let's get this out the way, and let's do it a little initial impression. So right off the bat, looks way different, way better. The finish is a lot nicer. Also, it feels more solid too. Has the magazine. Looks like the magazine is all metal. So that's how push it down. Couldn't quite figure out how that other one. It's got all the markings. I don't know if you can see. HK USP compact 9x9. It's got the HP on the HK on the grip. Whoa, that is dope. That is dope. Ooh, yeah, already it feels much nicer. I don't know if you guys could hear that. That does not sound hollow. It's got the safety. Okay. Let's put the rounds in it. The rounds are nice and solid. Came with 5 rounds. Oh man, this is so nice. Man, dude, thank you so much, man. I'm freaking super glad that I have this now. I don't know why I slept on it before. That felt like it just cycled around, or put one in the chamber. Shell eject. Look at that. And the slide stays open after the last round. Dope. freaking dope. I am definitely not disappointed. Okay, let's compare. So, the only thing cooler about this one is it came with a cooler box, but other than that, not even close. All right, let's see. You know what? Actually, let's see. Oh, pretty dang close. You know what? Freaking close enough. This one just got a new box. Dope. Now you can already tell just by the cutout that it's smaller. Okay, let's see. Oh. Let's compare the magazines first. Magazine wise, this one's the higher end, lower end. The magazines definitely are different. Looks like they're even at a different angle. This one's more straighter up. This one's kind of more angled. This bottom piece just looks more realistic on this higher end one. The little pinky finger piece. Skews the little black dots on my hands. I was painting and actually I was painting something for my buddy who sent me this, and I got paint on my hands, on my face too. See, it's got the little opening there. This one doesn't. Let's see these rounds. Rounds look totally different. This is the higher end one. This is the lower end one. The higher end one looks much more realistic. Lower end ones is like little skinny, little. They're heavier too. The higher end ones are heavier, probably more denser. Okay, magazines out the way. Nitty gritty. Okay, right off the bat, markings are different. Physically, the higher end one is shorter. It looks more proportionate too. Just, I don't know, the other one just doesn't, the proportions just doesn't look right, but you can see that it's longer. Again, this one does say compact, so I don't know if this is like the bigger version or something, but either way, this one looks much better. Look at the detail, the texture on the grip is different. The markings this one's obviously much more authentic. It's got the safe, I forgot what that thing is called, but just the build quality in itself, so different. There's the fronts look like. Barrel's bigger on this one, although the bullets are smaller. This one has more texture right here than this. This is like flat right here, a little bit of texture, then it's flat in the middle. The texture, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the texture here too, these is like a grid pattern. These are lines, and you can see, how this cutout is compared to this cutout is just straight across. So with the mag, it's like that. This one with the mag, it's like that. Just feels better putting it in too. The sight is different. The type of sight. There's the back. So the triggers look like. Triggers look different. You hear the difference? This one sounds hollow. All right. Front. Side. Still need to fix that. Other side. Top. Bottom. Look at the bottom of the mag too. The finish is like kind of like a, I don't know, like a brushed steel type of look. Heavier too. Much more solid. Feels more solid in the hand. But yeah, so that is the low-end HK USP, high-end HK USP. As you can see, the difference between the two. I mean, it's pretty big difference. The rounds. But yeah, that's my video. Thanks again to my buddy who sent this to me. Man, I really appreciate it big time. This is dope. This is man, this is actually, I mean, I can't even express. Man, you're the bomb, man. Thank you so much. So yeah, if you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe. I got some things going on behind the scenes, and I got some big life changing I would say transition happening, and it's going to change my channel. So, but it's not bad news. It's actually really good news, and I'll share that with you guys when when everything is official and set in stone. But you know, just stay tuned. More to come. All right. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, before I let you guys go, I forgot to show you that you know, when you cock it, sounds hollow. Does not shell eject. I don't even think you can hold it open. Try to, but this one, obviously you hold it open and shell eject. So that's the other difference. All right, peace.